Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Chef Christy and on this channel I share delicious recipes each and every week. So please subscribe if you have not already, and you might also want to hit the little notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe. And give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like my video. Now what I'm going to make today is for a salad. I love salad. It is probably one of my favorite things to eat. Seriously, I love a nice big salad. So the salad that I'm going to be making today is not only delicious, but it is packed full of health and nutrition. And I'm going to be using kale and apple, pecans and cranberries. And then I'm making my all-time favorite dressing. This is my go-to. I absolutely love it. It's good with any kind of salad. So let me show you these ingredients, and I'm going to go over a few nutritional facts with some of these ingredients. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be using kale in my salad, and kale is among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. 1 cup of kale contains vitamin A, K, C, and B6. It also contains manganese, calcium, copper, potassium, and magnesium. And this beautiful leafy green vegetable is loaded with powerful antioxidants. So I have bought a bag of chopped kale, but I am actually going to chop it again, just a little bit more to make it smaller, finer pieces. Okay, after I have chopped up this kale just a little bit more, I'm just going to sprinkle in just a little bit of salt. And then I'm just going to begin to go in with my fingers and kind of massage that salt into the kale. And what will happen is the salt will kind of just break down the kale just a little bit, so it's a little bit softer to eat. Now to this kale, I'm going to add some chopped pecans. I'm going to add some dried cranberries. I'm going to add some cheese, and today I'm just using some queso fresco because that's what I had, but you could use feta, parmesan, cheddar, whatever cheese you want. And I'm also going to be adding some chopped apple. You can use any nuts that you prefer. I use pecans. Pecans contain monounsaturated fats, which help reduce the risk of heart disease, and they also are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. And then of course an apple. We know that apples are good for us. They are a good source of nutrition, and they have soluble fiber. So now let me show you how to make this delicious dressing. Okay, so I'm going to be using my salad dressing shaker, and I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of avocado oil. Now you can use olive oil. I just really like this. I found this at Aldi, so that's what I'm going to be using today. So a 1/2 cup of the avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/2 cup of honey. Then I'm going to juice this lemon. So the juice of 1 lemon. And then I'm going to add some poppy seed. And poppy seed are more than just sprinkled on bagels. They actually have some health benefits to them. They contain calcium and phosphorus, and these minerals work together to build strong bones. They also contain iron and zinc, And there's lots of easy ways that you can incorporate poppy seeds into your diet by adding them to dressings, as I am doing. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this dressing and I'm just going to shake it until everything is combined. So now I'm just going to pour this dressing over my salad. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you guys to try this salad. And if you do not want to use kale, that is fine. This dressing is so good. It is good with any kind of lettuce, whether it's romaine, mixed greens, spinach. So I just hope that you give this a try. But I love kale. I just think I just like the greens. I like the fact that it's so good for me. That is delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon with more recipes.